What is up, YouTube Chess here, and today I'm here with Lucas. So, what did you play and how did you perform?
So today I played Trap Tricks and I was 7-1. So let's start with the deck profile.
Nice, let's go.
First with the normal summons, the best one, Mermelio, Pudika and Mantis. Searches monsters, searches the field spell, searches trap. Then to the smaller ones, Dionea on normal special summons one from grave, special sets a trap, and Archno Kampa, who is a quick effect, extender, and protects your back row.
Nice.
Then to just a really good extender, Pearl Elixir, make Sarah. Sorry?
Really good card.
Yeah. Then let's go to the hand traps. Nibiru and Ash. Ash, of course, just a really good card. And I also played Nibiru because in London the most player played into Nibiru, and today it worked. Also, nice. The most player played into Nibiru, and you Nibiru Kash, you win.
Yeah.
To the spells, one field spell, really good cards. 3 top, 3 pots. You can search for your engine, your side deck, your traps. Just a really good card. Then let's go into the traps. The best one, Holotea, does so much for this deck. Like it's crazy. Disengrave, you have full combo. Then with the 5 just normal trap holes. The 2 best, like a small strike and just set the card. Against hand traps, just a removal and bottomless.
Yeah.
Then other flex spots, I played evenly, was clutch today, and Imperm.
Nice.
I really like the deck. You have like 12 flex spots with Ash, Nibiru, Imperm evenly. You can play so many things. You can even play Droll if you like. So yeah. Then let's continue with the extra deck. I played 1 Linguribo, was a last minute add, carried me 1 game. You get evenly locked, you make this against Sprite. I even could negate their double cross, it was just insane. Then the best one, Free Sarah, I don't have to explain it, it's just really good. And 2 small ones, OTK and she doesn't came up very much, but it's nice to have one.
Yeah, the spot.
Yeah. Then let's go through the extra deck, through the C's. The 3 Trap Trick C's, Rafflesia, pretty good. Also, you just need 1. They're really good.
You wouldn't change Rafflesia to 2?
No, I don't think so. Like, you just need 1.
Okay.
Just need 1.
Okay, gotcha.
Then into the 3 flex spots, I played Redoer, Babuska and Gagaga Cowboy. Gagaga Cowboy won me actually the last game. It was time and we had like 750 life points difference. I activated Gagaga Cowboy, I had like 50 more as my opponent and I won. It was crazy.
It was funny.
And the Zeus and Firion package, it's just good. Like, even I don't play the Firion engine main, but you just can make this and have a Zeus for like 2. It's really great.
Yeah.
Then into the side deck, Kurikara, like today carried me so many games, so a great card against so many decks. Then for going first, Firion and D-Barrier. I cut the Judgment and added D-Barrier because I think like D-Barrier is just better, because if you get even lead, you just can like flip it and say XYZ or against Kash, and they can't do any much more. Yeah. Then Labyrinthates, you lose against Skill Drain, you need this. And Dark Ruler, because Sprites, it's just a good card.
Nice! Lucas, thank you so much for the deck profile. Do you want to do any shout-outs?
Yeah, of course, Team Oni, best team.
Let's go!
And to all my other homies, so yeah.
Nice. Thank you so much and have a nice evening. Bye.